Hey, it's Mike, and I want to talk today about General Electric, the GE stock. And that is because the stock for the past couple of years has not been doing very well. In fact, there was some talk that the company would go out of business. However, in the past month, GE has had a pretty impressive recovery. It's moved from 620 up to 763. And I believe that this is a company that will continue its recovery as the years go on. And basically, because we're going to have a big reopen, and General Electric is a diversified company that operates in everything from aviation to healthcare, renewable energy, the digital industry. They're basically a conglomerate. So I do think the company was beaten down really. The situation we've had in the past year, you see this huge crash where it went from 13 down to 7. However, I do think no matter who becomes president in the next administration, there's going to be a lot of stimulus that's going to be pumped into the economy. Because of that, when the healthcare situation passes, General Electric will be one of the companies that will probably be able to get out of its death spiral and move higher. And that's not to say that it's going to become the behemoth company that it used to be 20 years ago. But I do think there's some potential upside where it can get back up to that pre-crash level of like 12 and 13, and they still have a lot of issues to figure out. However, if you see how beaten down this stock is, it definitely has the potential to move back up pretty quickly. And as you can see, there are people buying into the stock. So basically, the company has a lot of revenue. I mean, its revenue in 2019 was 95.2 billion. The biggest drag that General Electric has is basically some of its venture capital and finance arm has been giving it a lot of problems. But I think at some point they'll get through that and they'll be able to move forward. But this is a company that is really diversified, very powerful. They've made some bad decisions when it comes to finance. In fact, the whole finance sector is not doing well. And I think what happened was General Electric basically put a little too much of its business into finance, and they'll just have to work its way through that. But I think going forward, General Electric should be a company that will surprisingly outperform, and especially it's under $10. So if you're looking for an inexpensive stock to take a chance on, I think General Electric is the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If it did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications. I do updates, multiple updates each day on interesting stocks, EV stocks, penny stocks, options as well. Okay, thanks. Bye.